The following video has been rated yellow for finest humor. This video may include memes, censored coarse language, violence, or suggestive dialogue, and is not intended for viewers under 13 years of age. Viewer discretion is advised.
Three, two, one, go!
Go to your room right now, Vicky. You are grounded.
Shut up and leave me alone.
Today in class, we are going to learn about dyslexia. What is dyslexia?
I really want a snack from the vending machine. I'm so hungry. Well, I know what to do, Miss Terry. I have to use the bathroom.
Go ahead, but you have 3 minutes in there.
I think I'll get flamin' hot Cheetos and sour cream ruffles. Hey. Why won't this stupid machine accept my money? Let me try again. I will try again one more time. I have had it. Time to die. Machine. Yes. I got my bag of flamin' hot Cheetos and a bag of sour cream ruffles.
Stop right there.
Oh, what the hell?
Get in my office now, and put down those kinds of chips you stole from our vending machine. Vicky, do you think you can get away with breaking through our vending machine? You're not permitted ever to vandalize our school property. You're 15 years old. You're expelled.
Vicky, I am very upset that you got kicked out of school for breaking into the vending machine.
But Mom, the reason why I broke into the vending machine was because the vending machine won't accept my money.
I do not want to hear another word come out of your mouth. This is the first time you destroyed school property. You're grounded for 12 weeks straight. This means no playing your Nintendo DS Lite, no playing with your Nintendo Switch OLED, no watching your favorite shows, and so on. Now go to your room and start watching Season 1 episodes of Mickey Mouse Clubhouse until your punishment is over.
Yeah,
you better cry, stupid teen.